Hello, Year 5. Today in PSHE, we are going to be focusing on our new jigsaw topic, which is healthy me. By the end of today, I'd like you to be able to know the health risks of smoking and to be able to tell someone how tobacco affects the lungs, liver, and heart. So first of all, let's do our calm me section of the lesson. I want you to calm your minds down so they are ready to learn. I want you to focus on one of the pictures that appear on your screen. I just want you to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Nice, deep, calming breaths. In and out. Have one more. In and out. Okay. So in our Open My Mind section of our lesson today, we're going to have a quiz. There are 10 questions and they're all multiple choice. So just grab a bit of paper or your whiteboard, pause this video if you haven't got anything like that in front of you to go and get it, and then come back ready for our quiz. Question 1. How many people in the world are estimated to die from smoking-related illnesses each year? Is it A, 500,000, B, 1 million, C, 3 million, or D, 5 million? Don't forget you can pause the video at any point to allow yourself some more thinking time. Question 2. How many people in the world are estimated to die each year from breathing in secondhand smoke, which is called passive smoking? A, 9,000, B, 90,000, C, 900,000, or D, 9 million? Question 3. True or false? Low tar cigarettes don't cause that much health damage. A, true, or B, false? Question 4. What makes smoking addictive? A, the taste, B, the nicotine, C, tar, or D, wanting to look cool? Question 5. Which of these chemicals does the average ashtray contain? A, arsenic, B, nicotine, C, ammonia, or D, all of these? Question 6. Which group smokes more, boys or girls? A, girls, or B, boys? Question 7. Which of these facts about e-cigarettes or vaping are true? A, that vaping contains fewer chemicals than tobacco. B, that vaping can still cause the body damage. C, vaping is still addictive. D, all of these. Question 8. True or false? Smoking only damages your health if you have been smoking for years. A, true, B, false. Question 9. Is the number of people who smoke rising, falling, or staying roughly the same each year? A, rising, B, staying the same, or C, falling? And finally, question 10. If we all know the dangers of cigarette smoking, why do young people start to smoke? A, because their parents smoke. B, because they think it will help them stay slim. C, because their friends smoke. Or D, because they think they might try it and can easily give up when they want to. So the answers. Question number 1. How many people in the world are estimated to die from smoking-related illnesses each year? The answer is 5 million. The World Health Organization estimate that 5 million smokers die each year as a result of smoking-related illnesses. That is equivalent to one person dying every 6 seconds. Question 2. How many people in the world are estimated to die each year from breathing in secondhand smoke or passive smoking? The answer is C, 900,000. The World Health Organization estimate that 900,000 people each year develop fatal illnesses because of secondhand smoke. Question 3. True or false, low-tar cigarettes don't cause that much health damage? The answer is false. They have less tar, but they can still cause health damage, especially if people smoke a lot over a long period of time. Question 4. What makes smoking addictive? The answer is nicotine. This is a powerful stimulant addictive drug. Smoking immediately affects the heart by speeding up the heart rate and increasing blood pressure. Question 5. Which of these chemicals does the average ashtray contain? The answer is all of these. Tobacco contains over 4,000 chemicals, many of which are harmful. Question 6. Which group smokes more, boys or girls? Girls. It used to be boys, but now more girls smoke. Question 7. Which of these facts about e-cigarettes or vaping are true? And the answer is all of these. Health professionals and scientists are still investigating whether vaping causes long-term health problems. There is some evidence that vaping can lead people towards taking up smoking cigarettes and some to try illegal drugs. Question 8. True or false, smoking only damages your health if you have been smoking for years? The answer is false. Shortness of breath, more coughs and colds, all of these occur in young smokers who have not been smoking for very long. Question 9. Is the number of people who smoke rising, falling, or staying roughly the same each year? The answer is falling. Smoking is less popular in the adult population than it used to be. This is because people know about the health risks, the rising costs, and laws in some countries that make smoking antisocial and banned from being advertised. And lastly, question 10. If we all know the dangers of cigarette smoking, why do young people start to smoke? So there is obviously no correct answer for this, okay? So it's just a chance for you to have a think and to choose an answer that you think is most correct. So this is a poster that is called the Tobacco Industry's Poster Child. And I'm going to read you some of the writing because it's quite small, so I'm going to read it to you. It says up here on the right-hand corner, it starts with addiction. Nicotine in cigarettes is a powerful drug that can be as addictive as illegal drugs such as heroin, and it alters how your brain works. The next one down says wrinkles. Smoking decreases blood flow to the skin. This leads to leathery-looking skin and increased wrinkling. The next one down is about the eyes, and it says cataracts. The more you smoke, the greater your chance of cataracts. Cataracts are an eye problem that can cause blindness. Even former smokers have a 50% higher risk of developing a cataract. The next one down is linked to your mouth, and it says mouth cancers. Smoking is the main reason people get cancer in their tongues and mouths. Smoking makes it harder for your saliva to remove germs in your mouth. You'll get stains, bad breath, and a higher chance of gum disease, even if you're young. The next one down says skin damage. Tar from tobacco smoke turns your fingers yellow and stains your fingernails. Next one down is throat cancer. 4 out of every 5 cases of cancer of the esophagus are due to smoking. As smoke enters your throat, cancer-causing chemicals condense on your mucous membranes, which is the lining of your throat. Psoriasis. Smokers are twice as likely as non-smokers to develop psoriasis, which is a disfiguring red and silver rash that can occur anywhere on your body. Let me move on to talking about the heart and heart disease. Smoking is a major cause of heart attacks. Within 1 minute of your first puff on a cigarette, your heart begins to beat faster. Your blood vessels clamp down, raising your blood pressure and forcing your heart to work harder. Lung disease. If you smoke, you're as much as 20 times more likely to die of lung cancer. But long before that, you'll find your lung capacity has decreased. You may develop asthma, and if that doesn't stop you, emphysema, where 90% of all cases are caused by smoking. And then the final one says stomach ulcers. Smokers are more prone to peptic ulcers. They don't heal as fast in smokers, and they're more likely to reoccur. There's also growing evidence that smoking may increase the risk of chronic bowel disease. Now, I want you to have a think to yourself or talk to someone that might be around you. Is this a good advertisement for smoking? Would it encourage young people to start smoking, or do you think it might put them off? Does the media, such as magazines, TV and films, the internet and social media, like people on TV and films or in celebrity culture, do they encourage people to live healthy lifestyles? Now, a lot of today's video is me asking you questions that obviously I'm not there to hear the answers, but it gives you a chance to have a really big think and maybe have a chat with someone that's around you, older brother or sister, or a parent or carer that you live with, and have a chat about these questions that I'm asking you. Remember, you can pause the video at any point. How is smoking portrayed in the media? Are the things we see and read about in the media always true? Does the media always show the facts about smoking? Is it better to rely on facts before making a decision about your own health? What sort of messages are being promoted? Is smoking still looked on as cool or something that is associated with being tough? Is smoking shown to be fashionable? What about celebrities? What messages might that be giving to young people? Does the media put pressure on young people to behave in certain ways? So your task today is to write a short, persuasive letter to a TV show or film company telling them why you think that smoking should not be shown in TV programs and films. Don't forget, you need to include your arguments and you need to back up your arguments with facts. And you can get lots of your facts for today's task from this video. So it might be worthwhile watching this video again just to make sure that you've got all the facts that you can from it. It'd be great to see your letters uploaded to Padlet. Have a great day, Year 5. Bye.